everyone, welcome. My name is Lauren Hernandez. I'm currently a student at ASU. This project currently relates to my General Principles of Multimedia Writing class. Today we'll be presenting how to use the problem-solving approach, also known as the PSA, and how it is effective. Throughout the slideshow, there are examples on how I use the PSA for this class while writing a policy manual. Let's begin. The problem-solving approach asks students to think rhetorically about the writing situation through detailed explanations and specific examples. The problem-solving approach provides students like us with useful rules to guide us through the process of analyzing a variety of communication situations and solving workplace communication problems. We will be taking a closer look at each step to get a better understanding on how to use the problem-solving approach. It's a 5-step process: planning, research, draft, review, and distribute. Step 1. Plan. In the planning process, you will need to describe the real problem or the reason for writing, create goals and purpose for your writing, consider the ethical choice involved with the problem. Also, consider the layout of your document, how you're going to be delivering your message or your purpose. Gather information you think you will need for your writing. This is the first step towards getting your problem solved. Recently for this class, I had to write up a policy manual. In order to do so, I had to select a group or be a member of some sort of community. I had to develop a policy that currently is unwritten for the group or the community I chose. I decided to select where I worked at, which was Raw Sushi, as a hostess. At this time, we were having problems with hostess scheduling. I wanted to solve the problem and set some goals. This was a good opportunity to do so. Step 2. Research. After figuring out what your plan is, you will need to begin your research. This is accomplished by determining the type of information that is necessary. This can be found in such places as the library, interviews, the internet, or the media, based on the specific information needed. After conducting your research, you will need to then organize your data to figure out what information is important and useful. The rest can be eliminated. This should help you evaluate the research you have done, leaving you with the question of, do you need further research? Here are a couple examples of some research I did. The first one I got from my manager. It displays key factors on how they do their scheduling and what they are expected to follow while scheduling. This really helped me set some of my guidelines in writing my policy manual. The two last examples, the first one is our availability sheets. So we hand them out to the hostess, and on the top one it shows what your real availability is, and the bottom one shows your ideal availability, what you would like to work, what days you don't want to work. The next to it shows what our hosting schedule looks like. The dark shadows meaning we're not available. The white boxes meaning we are available. The R representing requests off. These all helped me. All these factors helped me to lay out and to guide me to writing my policy manual. This is just displaying some of the research that I did. Step 3. Draft. Now you will begin to write your first draft. Remember your goals and the purpose of writing. Organize the layout, maybe use a table of content to help you arrange your document. Add some visuals, such as graphs, pictures, charts, so that the document can have some fun to it. It will help keep your audience's attention. This is an example of my first draft for my policy manual. Step 4. Review. Once you're finished with your draft, you will start to review it. Test the usability of the document. Read over it twice to check the spelling errors and grammars. before asking a peer to read it or to give you feedback on it. I would suggest to ask more than one peer. Feedback from peers, whether it's good or bad, can only improve your document. We have finally made it to the last step. Step 5, distribute. It is now time to send your document to your audience. After sending, determine the overall effectiveness from the audience you sent it to. Ask them for their feedback and always take whatever they say into a positive mindset. Thank you, everyone. I hope this is a clear understanding of what the PSA process is. It has really helped me throughout this class, and I hope it can help you. Have a great day.